In this class, now let us have a short glimpse at 20 tips to boost your brain power. First 5 tips are: keep body in tune with proper nutrition, consume memory boosting vitamins, also consume salmon, folic acid, natural sugars and vitamin B12. Make it a habit to study in your most comfortable environment. Use associations to help you remember specific information. Avoid memorizing information if you are in pain, on medication, or under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Avoid multitasking. Our brain is not that great at performing two similar tasks. Try doing one thing at a time unless one of those tasks can be done without conscious mental processing. The next 5 tips are: try to teach someone else about something you just learned. Read before going to bed. Try to make as many connections to previously learned information as possible. Review information learned while walking and discussing the information with another person. Talk with mentally stimulating people. This can be mentors, family, or friends. Next 5 tips are: have a scent of fragrance with you while you study. Bring the same scent with you to the test. Take small breaks or naps to help the brain connect and reflect. Use mnemonic devices to memorize multiple pieces of information. Use the 10-80-10 rule to connect the old information to new information. Devote 10% of your time to reviewing old information, 80% of your time to learning new information, and 10% to preview new information that is coming next. Review what you already know about a topic before learning more about it.